Hello everyone, this is the tutorial for installation of software for pillar of IC design. Okay, so for that we need three things in your computer. So first you have to install that X server. So this is a VC X server, window X server. Okay, so you have to first install that, and after that you have to install that Docker desktop. So open the Docker desktop website and download this Docker desktop for your computer. Okay. So after installation, you have to check their have called that WSL. So before opening the WSL, you have to check that turn on Windows feature on and off. So click that and check if here is that virtual machine platform is ticked, and that Windows subsystem for Linux also checked. Okay. After that, you have to open your command prompt. So command prompt and open as a run as a administration. Okay. So this is our command prompt. For initially you have to install your WSL. So for the installation of WSL, you have to do like that. Okay, so this is called WSL. So in my computer is already installed. So you run this command WSL minus install, and this will install. Okay, after completing this, you have to run this command. Okay, so minus install Ubuntu. So this is also installed, already installed my in my computer, so it's showing like that. Okay, so after its completion, so you have to open your WSL. WSL dot exe minus d and run that Ubuntu. Okay, so one thing you have to remember when you installing your Ubuntu in your WSL, so check your first letter of that Ubuntu, that U is always capital. Okay, so when you start your WSL using Ubuntu, so click that as we are enter into that your Linux environment. Okay, so click CD like that. Okay, yeah. So now you are in the home directory of your WSL. That WSL in Ubuntu. Okay. So here you check what are your location. So this is a home slash uncle. Okay. So now you have to go to that internet and search that IIC minus JKU OSIC, this one, and open this GitHub link. Okay. So this is the uh, tool which have all open source tool related to IC design. Okay. So we are working on that for the assignment. We need ng spice and magic, and we need the PDK of Sky 130. Okay, so you have to clone this. So copy this link, step one. Okay, so copy this. Okay, so I have already that git clone. So I have removed that. So I have showed you how we install. So do not run in your machine this command initially. So now I have to paste that is this git clone command and enter that. So this will install. Okay. Now open your Docker desktop. Go to the setting. Okay. Go to that Docker engine. Oh, sorry. In the resources, go to that WSL integration. Check these both are clicked. Okay. And so in my case, one two is open, and that enable integration by default WSL distro is also enabled. Okay. And click to the apply. And this will always open when you running this WSL. Okay. Now open your X launch that this software. Okay. So I have opened that called software called X launch in your icon section. Okay. So click here next in the multiple window. Click next. Click start no client. Next. Next. Finish. Okay. Okay. And one more thing you have to install in that Ubuntu. So okay, so we need to install here is this command. Okay, so sudo apt -y install software. Okay, so put your password here. Okay, so in my computer is already installed. Okay, so after that you go to the cd IIC-OSIC tool. Okay, run this command start x.sh. Okay, so when you click that enter button, so this will you have seen. So if you see this is in for the long time 1 to 2 minutes. So if nothing is happening, then you have to click Control C. So now it's this like is showing like that pulling from that IIC-OSIC tool. Okay, so now it is installing in your computer. So it's take some time. Okay, so after completing this, terminal will pop up. Okay, so I forgot one thing. So when you installing that Ubuntu using this command, so that WSL install Ubuntu. So here it will ask that your username and password. So make your one username and password for that. Okay, and remember that password because whenever you install anything and tool and do that, you need that password. Okay, so I am closing that and I restart with everything so you can understand how can you restart this. Okay, so I stop that Docker also and okay, so now open command prompt as administration. Okay, so, so you have to this command in your terminal. Now you are in that WSL. Okay, so now put this command cd. So if you directly go to the home directory. So this is your home directory. So now you see these two folders, EDA and ICCA OSIS dot under slash tool. So go to that CD IIC tool, enter that. Okay. Now you have to run that start.x.sh. Okay, now you click the S, so your container will pop up. Okay, so one more thing. So whenever you restart your computer, okay, so uh, you start your X launch terminal, that X launch software. Okay, so every time, so click next, next, and next. Okay, otherwise it will show a error into that. Okay, now so when this is pop up, you have to run this command set minus pdk sky 130. Okay, so now you have export sky 130 in your this Docker, this IIC OSIS Docker. So here there's multiple tools. So first tool is ngSpice. So you click this command and check this what version are you using. Okay. So this is ngSpice. There is magic tool which is used for layout. So this will pop up for that. Okay. So close that, and for the ngSpice you have clicked ngSpice. Okay. So this is you are going onto that ngSpice. Okay. Now I am exiting. Exit. So our that Docker is closed. Now we have to, yeah. So one more thing. Okay. So when you click that IIS, so I go to that CD, okay, LS, then we go to the CD EDA tool. Okay, sorry, EDA. So go here and check there is one folder called designs. CD, you go to the designs, LS, CD. Okay, there is after that you do not see anything there. Okay, so I will show something. So go to the CD IIC tool. Okay, now I have to run that start x.sh. Click S. Our terminal will pop up for that. Okay, when I make any folder here, okay, so I make folder called IC design. Okay, we check. There is a two folder, one called Anchor underscore 29 and one called IC design. Okay, so I close that. So I have to check this folder is available in that EDA folder. Okay, so to ls, now this is for the design. So now you have to check this, there is a IC design. Okay, so whenever you close that your that terminal, so you not able to access those files using that. Okay, so this will available in your machine like that. So go into that Linux. Okay, click here, go to that Ubuntu and go to that home Anchor, and this is the folder and PDF folder. Okay, so here, yeah, anything you make here, this will avail in that Docker. It's available for you in here. Okay, yeah. So this is the basic tutorial for that. Yeah. So one more thing. So you have to go that GitHub repo. These are the PDKs are already installed in that folder. So one is Sky 130 Sky Water Technology, Global Foundry, IHP. Okay, so whenever you shift to that another PDK, so you can run this command. So one command, if you want to shift to the one Sky 130, okay, so you have to run this command. By default, it is into the IHP. Okay, So you have to always, after running, after entering to the Docker, you have to run this command. So you have to got selected that Sky 130. Okay. Yeah. So remember, before starting that your dot start X, you have to always run X launch. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. This is your tutorial for installing that open source tool. Okay. Thank you.